Good morning, friends. Today's Thursday, June 5th. It's gonna be my first full day of vlogging with the camera. I'm gonna try not to look over here, which is where the little screen is, but right now Isaac is sleeping and I'm gonna have breakfast. Ricardo was nice enough to make me some before he left because he knows very well that sometimes I just don't eat because Isaac doesn't let me. He's been going through a sleep regression, so it's been rough. I think I've only slept maybe 3 hours. And today I have to go pick up my things from work. And then my cousin's coming over for dinner in the afternoon. So I really don't have much time to sleep today. So I will bring you guys along with me for my first full day. I still don't know if I'm gonna do like full day vlogs or like just compile a week into a vlog. So we'll see, but also let me know what you guys prefer. Do you prefer longer vlogs or shorter vlogs? Let me show you guys what Ricardo made. He made some eggs and turkey bacon, and then I had made some pancakes yesterday, so I'll be eating that. And then right now I'm just preparing my coffee. My mom's supposed to come over at 10. It's 8:22. I'm whispering because he's in the room right next to me. My bed's literally like right there. So I'm gonna brush my teeth, do some makeup, and do my hair. And then by the time I'm finished, it'll probably be time for him to eat. So if I have to, I'll probably just change once my mom gets here. But I'm gonna get the hardest thing done, which is hair and makeup. One of my coworkers had told me to take him with me to soften the blow of me leaving. But I literally can't. Like, he's just been so fussy that I'm scared that while we're there, he'll just be losing his mind. And I have to pack up my desk and leave it semi-clean. So I'm like, just for his sake and my own, I'm just gonna leave him. I can always take him once to visit once he's not as fussy. He's just been on one. Like, I think if my sister came over yesterday and helped me with him for a bit, if she wouldn't have done that, I probably would have done nothing but hold him the entire day. So that's just how bad it's been. Yeah. Voltea a cámara. Voltea a cámara. Voltea a cámara, papá. Ya. Hagamos un vlog de mis mamis. Mi papá le encanta las cámaras. A ver, canta, papá. Canta. Jehová, bueno. Canta, mi niño. Sí, estamos cantando aquí con mi gami que Jehová es bueno, porque me puso corazoncito, me puso a la tipita, los ojitos mozos, sí, claro que sí, porque yo soy un niño fuerte, valiente, conforme al corazón de Dios, sí, mi amor, por eso está contigo, te vas a caer. A ver, papá, a ver las cámaras. Y yo me quedé aquí con mi Grammys mientras mami fue a trabajo. Aquí vamos pasando un good time. Good time, mi mami con mi Grammys. Mira, papacito. ¿Usted lo tiene que hacer? Ya me voy. Ya me voy yo. Yo tengo mucho que hacer, dije. Ya me voy. Ya me voy yo. Usted no tiene que hacer, yo ya me voy. My mom just left. Isaac is sleepy, but refusing to go down for sleep. Look at his bald little head. He's been losing a lot of hair. Probably gonna try to put him to sleep right now. I am very sleepy since I've only got like 3 hours of sleep. But after he goes down for bed, I'll probably just try to clean up because my cousin will be here in a few hours. So Isaac woke up from his nap and right now he seems content in his crib. So I am taking my chance to clean up our room because it's a mess from just surviving. So I'm going to be making our bed and then cleaning what I can till he decides he needs me again. He's already starting to whine. Isaac gave me a whole, what, 5 minutes? I think he has gas, so we're gonna go do some degassing exercises. Okay, cousin should be here very soon. So I am cutting up the cebollas, cilantro, and chocolate. Got some goodies from Grapes and Glaze. My cousin dropped off some cinnamon rolls. Let me show you guys. Got the regular, half regular, and half Biscoff cinnamon rolls. I didn't vlog a lot yesterday, just because I wanted to catch up with my cousin and spend that time. But she brought me a Mother's Day gift, and first off, I absolutely love these cups for my coffee in the morning. It says, in my mama era, super cute. And she filled it with like lip balm, hand sanitizer, lotion, and a Starbucks gift card, which is freaking cute. I'm obsessed with it. Thank you so much, Lupita. Isaac is already starting to desconocer a la gente. I don't know how to say that in English, but like when we saw my friends, when they held him, he cried. He started doing pucheros. And then yesterday when my cousin held him, he started crying also. The only people that he's like good with right now holding him, me, Ricardo, my mom, sister, and brother. That's about it. Isaac slept a lot better last night. I am way more refreshed and not as sleep deprived. In the morning he went back to sleep, but I'm starting a meal plan next week, so I got on my computer and kind of mapped everything out and have to prepare my grocery list. So I started working on that, but I'm gonna finish it later. I have my groceries delivered because I hate going into the grocery store nowadays. I'm gonna rinse out my new cup and use it for some cafecito, and I'll try my cinnamon rolls. But before I get coffee and sugar into my system, I'm gonna make some breakfast. Okay, while I cook breakfast, I'm gonna talk to you guys about my meal plan. So I'm in like this breastfeeding support group on Facebook, and people on there were asking people on there were asking like if anybody had recommendations on losing weight while breastfeeding, because I'm sorry, but everyone's scammed me. They're like, once you start breastfeeding, the weight's just gonna fall off. The only thing falling off is my freaking hair. I will tell you that. So anyways, long story short, ven Coco, ¿quieres salir? I'm gonna take out Coco. So I joined this Facebook group called Milky Fitness, and it's tailored to help women that are breastfeeding lose weight. I paid $75 and they gave me a meal plan What else did I have? Meal plan, grocery list, support group, and if you want, workouts for home, which I didn't choose to do that. Just because workout-wise, I know what to do with a meal plan, but I just kind of needed to know calorie-wise. I've lost weight before on my own, not breastfeeding. I got that figured out. Now, doing it while breastfeeding was a whole different ballgame. So, I got my calories and I'm at 2,600. That they put me at, and then they said that if I don't see, they're kind of testing it out just because of, since I pump, the calories I burn are very, what's that you say? It's hard to say because I'm very inconsistent with my supply. Good dice, mi amores. So I do half and half. Que mi amor, ya voy. That's usually him telling me you have like 5 minutes to eat before I start crying. It's only one shot, so I'm gonna do. You know what? That's looking a little pale. I do not like my coffee pale. No pale coffees around here. I'm gonna add some of this Nescafe cold brew, because I already know it's not dark enough for my standards. It's okay, this shade is okay. I was trying to give Isaac his pacifier. He's very hit or miss. Like, he'll take the pacifier sometimes, but not always. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Anyways, me voy a comer my eggs, and then I will show you guys my cinnamon rolls when it's time for that. Okay, it's time for an unboxing. Les voy a decir, I'm gonna tell you guys right now. Better not be judging my paper plates. If I'm not serving my husband, I'm serving myself, and I don't want to wash dishes when he's not here, I'm gonna use these, okay? Work smarter, not harder. Anyways, Grace and Glaze time. Cutest little presentation. Like opening a Louis Vuitton, but better. I mean, I wouldn't know. I've never opened real Louis Vuitton. Possibly only Louis Vuitton inspired bags. They smell so good. I want to try with some cookie. So good. Let me get my child. I was wondering if it would be too sweet like the Biscoff one. It's literally perfection. You know, I took Coco out earlier and she hasn't asked to come back in, which is odd. She is an indoor princess. Coco? Coco? She likes to hide under our camper. I'm gonna go look for her on my side in her room. I can see towards the other side of the yard. Oh, there she is. She's under the freaking camper. Open the window and call her, because if I was screaming from that side of the yard, she can't hear me. Coco! Ben! Coco! Ben! I was folding laundry, but somebody decided they wanted to join me. So since he's sleeping, I'm going to take the opportunity to sit down and edit this vlog. A ver si para la otra me arreglo. I'll see you next time maybe. I'll get a little ready so I don't spook you guys. But just a sign, I do plan on doing some sit down videos where I want to talk about how I got pregnant, my life and my weight loss before pregnancy. I think that will all be one video because it's all kind of correlated. So I plan on doing that soon. Thank you guys for joining me in my boring life of being a stay-at-home mom. Not much happens. Other days I go out more than, some weeks I go out more than others. This week I did socialize quite a bit. I didn't put it in this vlog, but Tuesday I went to my niece's kindergarten graduation. Wednesday I picked up my sister and she helped me. Yesterday my cousin came over. And today in the evening, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to Costco or the gym. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what type of content you guys want to see. If you're one of those elderly people, and by one of those elderly people I mean like 30 to 40 that for some reason don't have YouTube accounts, I'm not gonna name drop, but I had some coworkers that were like, why do I need a YouTube account? So you can subscribe to people you like me. But anyways, if you don't have a YouTube account, make a YouTube account and subscribe. Okay, that is it. I'm leaving now. Bye.